Autumn, or fall as we like to call it, takes its time arriving here in Texas. We are still winding down summer with many more hot sunny days ahead, but by now I'm ready to prepare for the cooler months and find myself doing a little nesting indoors. I am creating cozy spaces for our family and completing some projects to finish up the interior transformation of our home. You might remember back in the spring when we attempted to arrange the sort of mismatched furniture that we have collected and used in our previous homes into this large space, which primarily served as Patrick's office. We knew it wasn't what we ultimately wanted, but it helped us get a vision for what to do with this room, and your suggestions really helped. Recreating the media room that we had in our previous home is what we really wanted to do. That room also served as Patrick's office and was a really fun family space for watching movies, playing board games, and reading. The first thing I wanted to do was paint over the yellow beige walls. This was the color that came with the house, and I have been looking forward to doing this for a while. So while my parents were here visiting us from North Carolina, and with their help, I painted the room in Polar Bear, which is a white color by Behr from Home Depot. It's one of my favorite paints because it's very durable, and this white color, which we've used in several other rooms, will really brighten up this room and allow some of the colorful elements we are bringing in to really stand out. Just through that door is our laundry room. You know, I have been talking about our plans for that space for a while now, but the cabinets have arrived, so hopefully I will be sharing that transformation soon, or at least the start of it. There are some electrical and plumbing things that have to happen first, but we are getting there. And this is my dad. He always loves helping with projects, and he and my mom helped with all of the taping and edging. Patrick even joined us when our energy was winding down to help us knock it out in just 2 days. We did the taping the night before, and then we got 2 coats of paint on by the end of the second day. So really a day and a half, and I'm so grateful for their help. And of course, it is always so much more fun with company. After that, I listed the furniture we knew we didn't want to keep on Facebook Marketplace and got everything out just in time for the arrival of our new furniture. This couch is something that we plan to keep. We want to use it in our shed when we convert that space down the road. It's super comfortable and will be the perfect size for that. So for now, it will be hanging out in the corner here, so just disregard that for now. Not ideal, but real life. This giant coffee table was perfect in the media room we had in our previous home. But as many of you pointed out, and we agree, it is just too much for this space. Literally moved it out, and that was no small feat, just in time for the delivery of our new modular sofa. Lindsay Home reached out to us recently to offer their Rubric 3 sectional sofa to review, and because it was exactly the solution we had in mind for this room, we gratefully accepted. All of the boxes were clearly labeled and each piece or unit was very easy to assemble. We chose the 4-seat with 3 ottoman option for our home in the navy blue velvet fabric. This blue color is brand new for this line and exactly what I wanted to pair with our Turkish rug. There are several other fabric and color choices available. There's a 100% polyester, a poly linen blend, and Egyptian cotton in addition to the velvet that we chose. Putting it all together was really quick, easy, and fun. In fact, we did it in less than an hour from start to finish. We had a specific configuration in mind for this space, but it's good to know that we can switch it up if ever we need a change, so we aren't locked into just one design choice, and that's really the beauty of the modular design. Once we had our configuration set, we locked everything into place with these solid metal connectors so that nothing shifts around and everything stays super solid. Another feature that I love and makes this sofa so family and pet friendly are the removable washable covers. So there are no worries about spills. The fabric on the base is secured with Velcro, so it is removable and washable too. We chose this small round coffee table from Pottery Barn, which will be great for food, drinks, and playing board games. Of course, comfort is important, and the high-density memory foam cushions along with the plush fabric are very supportive and comfortable. Our family loves to play board games, and our new media room is where we are going to want them. So I moved them from the cabinet in our living room into our new media room, and the storage inside each seat will be the perfect place for keeping the board games out of sight, but with easy access right where we will want to use them. The other piece of furniture that we recently got for this room is this console, which has filing cabinet drawers from Pottery Barn. It was the perfect solution for us because we have been on the lookout for a long time for a way to organize our papers and documents. And this will keep things in order and well hidden. And because it's a media room after all, we got a large screen television to go on top. With all of the main elements in place, I had a little fun doing a bit of decorating to cozy up our new space. I unloaded our bookcase when we were painting, and because I like the way things were arranged, I took a picture and then I organized everything in neat piles in our storage closet to make putting it all back together again as easy as possible. You might think that taking a picture isn't necessary, or maybe it's overkill, but I was so glad that I had it for reference. I thought that I would remember, but I really surprised myself at how many times I had to keep checking as I arranged each shelf. Because I had that picture, everything went back in place very easily, and I didn't have to waste time arranging things when I had already done that in the past and was happy with the result. I chose this coffee table for a few reasons. First of all, it's very light and easy to move if we want to change our sofa configuration, and I knew that the round shape would work really well to offset the straight lines of the sofa. Next to the sofa was the perfect place for this little side table, which we already had. It gave us some additional storage for things like Patrick's train magazines and some favorite cookbooks of mine, plus a convenient spot for placing a drink or a snack too. We had these movie posters hanging in our previous media room. Kyle brought them home when he worked in a movie theater as a teenager. His now wife Lauren also worked there, so they have some sentimental value for us, but they are also exactly what this wall over the sofa needs, and I love the way they bring everything together. couldn't be happier with the way our new media room turned out. We love our Rubric 3 sofa and want to thank Lindsay Home for collaborating on today's video. If you are in the market for a modular sofa with flexible options, effortless assembly, comfort, storage, and style, all at a great price, check out my link and discount code in the description box below the video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here today. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave a comment below because I love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, have a wonderful week.